Today we are going to explain about AVL trees. So definition of an AVL tree is an AVL tree is a height balanced or self-balancing binary search tree where the difference between the height of the left subtree and right subtree cannot be more than 1. So an AVL tree is invented by Adelson, Welsky and Landis. AVL tree is named after the names of Adelson, Welsky and Landis. So to determine whether a tree is an AVL tree or not, we consider the balancing factor of a node. The balancing factor of each and every node we consider. So how to calculate the balancing factor? The balancing factor can be calculated by using height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. Balancing factor can be indicated with BF. So the formula is BF is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. So the height of left subtree minus right subtree is between -1, 0 and 1. So the balancing factor must lies between 0, 1 and -1. It should be between -1, 0 or 1 only. Now consider an example of an AVL tree. So consider the set of keys 40, 30 and 50. So according to the binary search tree, left the key According to the binary search tree, the keys are inserted in the order of given set of keys. So in order to insert nodes into a tree, first we consider the first elements of the keys. The first element is 40, so the 40 is inserted first. Again, next consider the node 30. Consider the element 30. 30 is less than 40, that is 30 is less inserted in the left side of 40. So according to the binary search tree condition, the greater element is inserted on the right side of the root node and the lesser element, the element which is less than the root element, is inserted on the left side. That is 30 is inserted on the left hand side and 50 is inserted on the right hand side of 40. So consider another example. Having the keys 50, 40, 60 and 30. According to the given order, 50 is the root node and the 40 is inserted on the left side of 50 because 40 is less than 50. And the next element is 60. Insert 60 right side of the 50 because 60 is greater than 50. So now the next element is 30. 30 is inserted on the left side of 40 because 30 is less than 50 and less than 40. So 30 is inserted left side of 40. Here in the example, both the trees are AVL trees because the balancing factor of each and every node is 0, 1. How to calculate a balancing factor? For example, consider the node 50 in the set of keys of second keys, that is 50, 40, 60, 30. Consider the second tree. So consider the element 50. So to calculate balancing factor, we calculate the edges that are connected on the left subtree of 50. So we are having an edge between 40 and 50, that is considered as one node, and it is having another edge also, that is between 30 and 40, that is counted as 2. So on the left side 50 has two edges. On the left side 50 has two edges, that is 1 and 2. On the right side 50 has only one edge. Between 50 and 60 it has only one edge, that is the height of left subtree, the number of edges of left subtree minus the number of edges of right subtree. So the number of edges of left subtree is 2. So the number of edges of right subtree is 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. So the balancing factor of the node 50 is 1. So 1 is the balancing factor. So the node having balancing factor 1 is considered as balanced node. So in the same way, we can calculate balancing factor for the remaining nodes also, 40, 60 and 30. Each and every node has the balancing factor 1, 40 has the balancing factor 1 and 60 has the balancing factor 0 and 30 has the balancing factor 0 because 30 has no nodes and 60 has no nodes. 40 has one edge, that is 1 minus 0. There is no edge on the right side, that is 1 minus 0 is 0. That is the balancing factor of the node 40 is 1. So both the trees in the given example are considered as AVL trees. Now consider a binary search tree of keys 50, 40, 35, 30 and 20. So according to the given order, for 50 is inserted in the root node. 50 is inserted as the root node and the next element is 40. 40 is inserted on the left side of the 50 because 40 is less than 50 and 35 is also inserted on left side of 40 because 35 is less than 50, 35 is less than 40 and 35 is less than 35 is less than 40. That's why 35 is inserted on the left side of 40. In the same way, 30 and 20 is also be inserted. So the main disadvantage with binary search tree is according the nodes inserted in the given order and the tree structure is like left representation, that is it is heavy on left side. There are no nodes inserted on right side. It is a binary search tree but it has the nodes only on the left side. It is deeply weighted on left side. So to insert an element into a binary search tree of this kind or to search an element in a binary search tree of this kind, we have to make many comparisons. So it takes more time to insert an element or to compare or to search an element in a binary search tree having this kind of structure. So to avoid this disadvantage, we are going for AVL trees. The disadvantage of binary search tree is that its height can be as large as n-1. This means the time needed to perform insertion and deletion and many other operations can be order of n in the worst case. To search an element in a binary search tree, the total number of comparisons to be large number according to the depth of the tree. To make a binary search tree as height balanced, we can convert them as AVL trees. So now we can look about the properties of binary search tree. So properties of AVL tree. So the properties of AVL tree are subtree of each node can be differed by at most 1 in their height. Every subtree is also an AVL tree. Now consider an example of nodes with given series. Consider the set of keys 50, 40, 30. So according to the given order, 50 is inserted first and next insert 40 into the binary search tree. 40 is less than 50, that's why 40 is inserted on the left side and 30 is inserted on left side of 40 because 30 is less than 40 and less than 50. So for a given, in the same way 50, 30, 40 and 40, 50, 30 elements are inserted in the given series or in the given order. According to the given order, we can create many number of trees. For a given set of keys, we can get different types of trees. But the ultimate goal of us is to create a minimum height binary search tree because to insert a node and to search a node, we need minimum height tree. So minimum height binary search tree can be created by using AVL rotations. So what are the AVL rotations? AVL tree has 4 types of rotations: LL rotation, LR rotation, RR rotation and RL rotation. LL rotation is left of left rotation. LR rotation is left right rotation. RR rotation is right rotation. RL rotation is right left rotation. LL rotation and RR rotation are single rotations. LR rotation and RL rotation are called as double rotations. What is LL rotation? If an AVL tree may become unbalanced if a node is inserted in the left subtree of left subtree, the tree then needs a right rotation. For example, in the figure, B and A are inserted at the left of C and A is inserted in left of left. So by inserting A in the left of C, the tree structure became unbalanced. So in that condition, we can rotate the tree in the right to the right side of C with respect to the position C. So the tree, by inserting a node on the left of left, the tree became imbalanced. That's why it is called as LL rotation, left of left rotation. So by rotating the tree to the with respect to the position of C to the right, we can get a balanced binary search tree, that is an AVL tree. Consider one example. Insert the keys 50, 40, 30 in the form of a binary search tree. So first insert a node 50 and next consider the node 40. 40 is less than 50. So it is inserted in left of 50 and the next element is 30. Insert 30 into the tree in the left of 40 because 30 is less than 40 and less than 50. So that the tree became imbalanced because the balancing factor of 50 is 2 because 50 has left weighted but no weight on the right side. So the balancing factor of 50 is 2. That violates balancing factor condition of an AVL tree. So to make the node 50 balanced, to make the position of 50 balanced and to make the tree balanced, we can rotate the tree right side. So rotate the tree with respect to the position 50 and the tree became like 40, 30 on the left, 50 on the right. So the balancing factors of each node now became 0 and 0. So now the tree is balanced. To get balanced each and every node in a tree which is left weighted, we can use LL rotation. The next rotation is RR rotation. If a tree became unbalanced when a node is inserted into the right subtree of right subtree, that is to the right subtree of right side, when we have inserted an element in the tree becomes imbalanced. That type of tree is right weighted. When a tree is right weighted, we need to rotate it left with respect to the position of root node. Consider an example with the keys 40, 50 and 80. So according to the given order, 40 is the root node. Make 40 as root and the next element is 50 to be inserted in the root in the tree. 50 is inserted on the 40 because 50 is greater than 40 and the next element to be inserted in the tree is 80. 80 is inserted in the right on the right side of binary search tree because 80 is greater than 50. So the tree became imbalanced. Why? Because 40 is the root element. 40 has no nodes on the left side but it has two edges on the right side, that is 40 has right weighted. So by inserting right of right, the tree became imbalanced. So it is called as RR imbalance, right of right imbalance. That's why this rotation is called as RR rotation. To make this tree as balanced, or that is to make the node is bad, to make 40 as balanced node, we can rotate the tree with respect to the position 40 to the left side. Now the root node becomes 50. 50 becomes the root node, and 40 becomes left subtree of 50, because 40 is less than 50 and 80 is greater than 50. That's why it is represented on right side of 50. Now the tree is balanced, because all the balancing factors of each and every node is 0. The next rotation is LR rotation. LR rotation is known as double rotation, because by inserting left of right, the tree became imbalanced. So to make the tree balanced, we need to rotate the tree twice. That's why it is called as double rotation. When a node inserted in the left of right, when by inserting in the left of right to a tree a node, when it becomes imbalance, then it is called as left of right imbalance. LR rotation has two rotations, one left rotation and one right rotation, to become the tree balanced. So consider an example to understand this better. Consider the keys 50, 40 and 45. So according to the given order, 50 is taken as root node and 40 is inserted on left of 50, because 40 is less than 50. The next element is 55. The next element is 45. Insert the 45 on the right of 40. So by inserting the element on the right of 40, the tree became imbalanced, because it has no weight on the right side. It has two weights on the left side, so it is heavy weighted on the left, because of inserting an element at the right of left subtree. So to make it balanced, we need to rotate left one time. So rotate the tree with respect to the position 40. Now 45 became a root node and 40 became subtree of 45, because 40 is less than 45. Now the tree is left imbalanced, because it has all the weight at the left side. To make it balanced, we can rotate it right with respect to the position 50. Now rotate the tree with respect to the position 50, that is 45 becomes root node and 40 is on the left side of root node for 45 and 50 is on the right side of root node 45, because 40 is less than 45 and 50 is greater than 45, which satisfies a binary search tree condition, and all the nodes in this tree are weight 0, that is the tree satisfies the AVL trees condition. The final rotation is RL rotation. RL rotation is right of left rotation. When the node is inserted on the right of left and the tree has no weight or less weight less than the right subtree, the tree became imbalanced. Hence we need to rotate the tree once right and once left. This type of rotation is known as RL rotation. To understand this RL rotation better, we consider an example. So consider the case 40, 50 and 45. So according to the given order, 40 is inserted as the root node and the next element to be inserted in the root node is 50. So 50 is greater than 40. So according to the binary search tree condition, we have to insert 50 on the right side of 40. So the next element which is inserted into the tree is 45. So 45 is inserted on left of 50 because 45 is greater than 40 but 45 is less than 50. That's why 45 is inserted on left of 45. Now the tree became imbalanced by inserting 45. So 45 is inserted on the right of 50. That is right of left 45 is inserted. By inserting 45 the tree became imbalanced. That's why it is called as right of left imbalanced. So by getting this by making this right of left imbalanced, to make it correct we rotate it through RL rotation. In RL rotation we have to rotate the tree according to the imbalanced node position first right. So that is the imbalanced node is 50. 50 should be rotated to the right once. So that is 50 became a right subtree of 45. 45 became a parent node of 50. Now the tree is right of right imbalance because all the weight is on the right side of the tree. There are no nodes on the left subtree. So to become the tree balanced, we need to rotate the tree to the left according to the position 40. To make the element 40 balanced, to make the node 40 balanced, we need to rotate it left. By rotating the element to the left, 40 became subtree of 45. 45 became root node. So 45 is the root node, 40 is less than 45. That is, it satisfies the binary search condition, and 50 is greater than 45. So it also satisfies the binary search condition. And every binary search tree with height balanced is known as AVL tree. So the balancing factor of 45 is 0 and balancing factor of 40 is also 0 because 40 has no elements, and 50 also having balancing factor 0 because 50 has no subtree, and 45 has one left subtree and one right subtree. So height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. That is, the tree is balanced. Each and every node in this tree has the balancing factor 0. Hence that is an AVL tree, and an AVL tree is also a binary search tree. That's why and finally the tree is balanced. So according to the tree structure given, we need to apply the rotations and make the tree balanced, and that balanced binary search tree is called a height balanced binary search tree is called as AVL tree. So these are all the AVL rotations. Thank you.